Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a landing page in ConvertKit to capture email subscribers and promote your content or products, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete page creation. Step 1. Log into your ConvertKit account and navigate to the Grow section from the main dashboard menu. Step 2. Click on Landing Pages to access your landing page management area. Step 3. Click the New Landing Page button to start creating a new page from scratch. Step 4. Choose a template from ConvertKit's library. Templates are organized by purpose, such as lead magnets, product launches, webinar registrations, or general opt-ins. Step 5. Customize the headline by clicking on it and entering your compelling headline text that clearly communicates your offer's value. Step 6. Edit the subheadline or description text to provide additional details about what subscribers will receive when they sign up. Step 7. Add or replace the featured image by clicking on the image placeholder and uploading your own visual from your computer. Step 8. Customize the call to action button text. Replace generic text like subscribe with action-oriented language like get my free guide or join the challenge. Step 9. Configure the form settings by clicking on the Form section. Choose which fields to include, such as first name and email address, and add any custom fields if needed. Step 10. Set up your success message or redirect URL for after someone subscribes. You can display a thank you message or redirect to a download page. Step 11. Customize the page design using the styling options, including colors, fonts, and spacing to match your brand. Step 12. Preview your landing page to ensure it looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. Make any necessary adjustments. Step 13. Publish your landing page and copy the URL to share it on social media, in emails, or in your marketing materials. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.